Hello friend and welcome back. Today we are going to make beef lasagna recipe. I hope you like it and you enjoy it. We are going to need lasagna pasta, 1 chopped onion, milk, tomato, sauce and tomato paste, salt, pepper and beef bouillon, nutmeg, ground meat, beef. We are going to use cheese. I use la vache qui rit. And more cheese, you could use mozzarella. In a pan, I put some oil. Now we'll add the onion. Add the salt and pepper. And add the ground meat. Keep stir it with the onion. After the meat cooked, I will add the tomato salsa. You could use homemade or from the store. Or just crush 3 to 4 tomatoes. I will add the beef bouillon. Add the tomato paste. And leave it until all the water gone. In a pan, I put 1 tablespoon of butter and the cheese. I mix 2 tablespoons of flour with 1 cup of milk and start add it to the butter and the cheese and keep mixing all the time. I add pinch of nutmeg. I add beef bouillon and keep mixing all the time. We keep mixing until our sauce became thicker and thicker. This is how the mixture should look like. Now I will add the pasta in salted water. Just follow the instruction in your pasta container. For me, I leave it 5 minutes in boiled water, then I will put it aside. In the oven pan, first I will put some of my sauce. will put the second layer of pasta. The third layer of meat. Then I will add my white sauce again. After spray this all over, I will add some cheese. And repeat the steps for the second time, as you see. For the third time. Then I will put it in the oven for 30 minutes or until it became gold. This is how it should look like. I really hope you like it and you try it. It's so tasty. Please, if you visit my channel for the first time, don't forget to hit subscribe button and share the video with your friends. Bye, see you soon.